I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join, and that will form a ring. Chain 3, and that will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Double crochet in the ring. Chain 1, double crochet in the ring. That's the equivalent of 3 double crochets, so I'm going to make 9 more with a chain 1 space in between. So chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, like that. Now repeat that, chain 1, double crochet, so that you have 12 double crochets and 12 chain 1 spaces in the ring. And I'm carrying my yarn end along the outside of the ring. Okay, I have 12 double crochet in the ring and 12 chain 1 spaces. And I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 3. And now you can pull that yarn end and close up the center. For the next row, I'm going to find that first chain 1 space, and I'm going to single crochet in that first chain 1 space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Go to the next chain 1 space, single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet, and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet, and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Like that, and I'm going to repeat all the way around, and I'll have 6 loops. Okay, I've worked all the way around. There's my last chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops. So now I'm going to start working in these loops. So I'm going to work 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, like that. 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet. Now I'm going to go to the next chain 5 loop, and I'm going to repeat that all the way around. 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet. I'm going to move those over, chain 3, and 2 single crochet, like that. And I'm going to repeat that in each one of these loops all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last 2 single crochets, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in that very first single crochet, and then fasten off. And now you can just pull on the center chain 3s to bring those picots out like that. And there you go. That will be a cute Christmas coaster. Or you could use it on the Christmas tree as an ornament. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.